A rolling testament to late 60s American luxury, the 1969 Chevrolet Caprice wasn't just another full-size car. It was the pinnacle of Chevrolet's craftsmanship, blending muscle, elegance, and innovation into one timeless machine. If you're an admirer of classic automobiles that defined an era of excess, power, and prestige, this is one car that deserves a deep dive. Be part of our growing community and celebrate the legends that shaped automotive history. Designed to stand above the Impala and Biscayne, the Caprice was Chevrolet's crown jewel of full-size sedans and coupes. The 1969 model year brought fresh styling, featuring a bold grille with hidden headlights, a sweeping bodyline with sculpted contours, and a commanding road presence that turned heads at every corner. Chrome accents framed its sleek design, while its extended length and wide stance exuded dominance on the open highway. Beneath the hood, the Caprice offered a variety of powertrains, allowing buyers to tailor performance to their desires. The base model came equipped with a 327 cubic inch small block V8, delivering smooth yet capable power. For those craving more muscle, the legendary 396 big block V8 and the monstrous 427 cubic inch powerhouse provided exhilarating performance that blurred the line between luxury and raw speed. Paired with either a turbo Hydramatic automatic transmission or a 4-speed manual, the driving experience was nothing short of commanding. Step inside, and the true essence of Chevrolet's luxury division became evident. The 1969 Caprice featured plush seating wrapped in fine cloth or optional vinyl, deep carpeting, and simulated wood grain trim that exuded refinement. The dashboard was adorned with futuristic switchgear, while an available tilt steering column, power windows, and automatic climate control elevated the comfort to near Cadillac levels. While the Caprice was built for sophistication, it also had an edge in performance. Equipped with power front disc brakes, variable ratio power steering, and optional heavy-duty suspension packages, it balanced comfort with capability. Whether gliding down boulevards or roaring down the highway, this full-size Chevy delivered a driving experience that few could rival. Today, the 1969 Chevrolet Caprice remains a cherished piece of automotive history. Well-preserved examples continue to command strong prices in the collector's market, with rare configurations and big block models fetching premium values. Enthusiasts recognize it as one of the last great full-size Chevrolets before the dawn of the 1970s. East brought stricter regulations and design shifts. This was an era when luxury met performance in a way that modern cars seldom replicate. What are your thoughts on this classic American masterpiece? Drop your comments below. Hit that subscribe button for more legendary automotive content.